Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I made this adorable eagle wreath for 4th of July. So let's get started. I purchased everything off of Amazon, and I'm going to tell you everything I used for this project, and I will also leave links for each item in my description below. The first item was a Flora Craft wreath, Flora Craft half ball, wood biscuits size 0, red, white, and blue spray paint, and molding clay, a chipboard for the stars, yellow acrylic paint, hot glue gun and glue sticks, and Mod Podge spray. I wasn't sure how many biscuits for each color I would need, so I decided to start with 100 biscuits per color. While those were drying, I used molding clay, and I tried to shape the clay into a cone shape for the nose. I let it dry for 24 hours, and then I applied yellow acrylic paint with a foam brush and set it aside. Once that was dry, I used my glue gun to attach the nose onto the styrofoam half ball, and then started gluing the white biscuits to the head. Once that was done, I glued 2 black buttons for its eyes. Next, I glued the head to the wreath. From there, I started gluing the blue biscuits on. To me, that was honestly the hardest part. I kept gluing them on, and I felt it didn't look very organized, so I'd pull them off, and then I had to use new biscuits. I finally decided to just keep going, not to worry about what it looks like, and once I started adding the white and the red biscuits, it started to come together. When I used up all the biscuits that I had spray painted, then I would spray paint more. That way I had a better idea of how many more I may need for each color. Once I was done with all the biscuits, I went back to fill in any areas where you could see the white styrofoam. To add the final detail, I decided to cut some stars on the Cricut maker using a chipboard, and then spray painted the stars. Once they were dry, I glued them to the wreath, and then I sprayed the entire wreath with Mod Podge spray. That was it. I think this project actually took me a few days, not continuously, but just letting things dry and that sort of thing. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. Thank you all for watching my video today. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. And other than that, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.